Stop by and take a look at the 2016 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.